Hi, I'm Keith, founder and general manager of Tuck. Today, we'll be taking a look at the original Casper mattress. Testing the mattress today, we have our lightweight sleeper Rachel, our average weight sleeper Jackson, and our heavyweight sleeper Isaac. Setting up the original Casper mattress is quite easy. We recommend enlisting a helper as it's a bit bulky and heavy for one person. Move the mattress to its final destination, unbox and unwrap it, and watch it come to life. Full recovery should happen within the first 12 hours. The original Casper mattress is a 10-inch mixed foam bed. The cover is made of 100% polyester. The comfort layers of the mattress are made up of 1.5 inches of polyfoam, 1.5 inches of 4 PCF memory foam, and 1.5 inches of 2 PCF zoned polyfoam. The support core consists of 5 inches of 1.8 PCF polyfoam. The feel of a mattress is largely determined by its firmness and construction. This tends to be fairly uniform across each mattress type. The original Casper mattress has a mixed foam feel. It's comfortable and conforming while still being responsive with a light bounce. We've placed the original Casper at a 5 on the firmness scale, making it a medium mattress. In the mattress world, support is defined as spinal alignment. In this test, we'll be looking at how well each of our sleepers' spines are kept in alignment when lying on their side. As you can see, the original Casper offers good support across light and average weight sleepers and slightly less so for heavyweight sleepers. Motion isolation refers to how well a mattress isolates or absorbs motion. This is important for those that sleep with a partner so you don't feel their movements across the surface of the bed. The original Casper absorbs and minimizes motion significantly, as shown by the water test performed by Isaac on the mattress. Edge support refers to how much your mattress holds you up or pushes back against you while sitting on or sleeping close to the side of the bed. Mattresses with worse edge support are harder to get in and out of and can leave sleepers with the feeling of roll-off, which is akin to the mattress ejecting the sleeper. We found the original Casper to have poor edge support, especially with heavier sleepers, which is similar to other mixed foam mattresses. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to look at how well mattresses relieve pressure on the body. The scale goes from blue to green to yellow to red, indicating increasing amounts of pressure pushing back against each sleeper. When it hits red, there's a higher likelihood of reduced blood flow in those specific sections of the body. Our testing found that the original Casper mattress offers good pressure relief for most sleepers and weights, with the exception being heavier sleepers who might find it a bit lacking based on firmness and height. Temperature neutrality refers to whether a mattress disperses heat from your body, allowing for breathability and airflow. We found the original Casper mattress absorbs minimal body heat and sleeps fairly cool compared to its other all-foam competitors. Now, let's review how the original Casper stacked up in our mattress testing. The original Casper scored highly for motion isolation and support for light to average weight sleepers and less so for heavyweight sleepers. Edge support was lacking on the original Casper, which is common for similarly constructed all-foam mattresses. The original Casper scored highly for pressure relief, and temperature neutrality is good. Heavier sleepers might not find the original Casper offers the support that they need. Stomach and back sleepers may prefer a firmer mattress than the original Casper. Lighter and average weight sleepers with sensitive pressure points in their hips or shoulders will appreciate the Casper mattress. If you're considering the original Casper, it comes with a 100-night sleep trial, so you can test the bed risk-free and ensure that it's the right match. Additionally, the mattress ships free and comes with a 10-year warranty. For up-to-date pricing and discounts available exclusively for Tuck readers, check out the description below or visit the written review on tuck.com. That's it for this review. If you found this helpful, please go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Visit tuck.com for the full written review and to continue your sleep search. If you'd like a personalized recommendation or have any questions, go ahead and comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Sleep well.